Been a long day, I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me, cause it's been a long day. I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me. Next to me, you keep testing me. I knew that we were meant to be. The connection was mentally, but I wanted you physically. Basically, I'm trying to say is that your body is heavenly, chemically inducing me with ecstasy. Your smile in your eyes, I could go endlessly. Angel in disguise, gotta treat her carefully. I despise all these guys that try to step to me. Just know in her eyes, I'm the recipe to her bakery. I need her and she need me. Nothing could change at the Fago to her blueberry. Nothing could top that if you want. You can see what true love looks like. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Been a long day, I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me, cause it's been a long day. I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me. I wish I was with you, like can I convince you to come drop the addy, I'll pull out like tissue. I don't want no preview, yeah, give me the sequel. I murdered a kitty, no desert like eagle. Let me come show you what I'm about. Leave my kids dancing in your mouth. And if you ready, I'm headed towards the south. Alphabet, we can hit it in the couch. Found a knob, have you dripping like a spout. Slurp it up like you Kelly in a drought. Switching routes, hit the G and make you shout. But it's all in my head, why can't you just get out? Why I think about you now, I have no clue. Thinking about us in the clouds, drinking soju. You laugh at my jokes with a snort that is so you. There's more to your beauty, can I get to know you? Been a long day, I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to